Hello all, welcome to my channel Paid Thief, and I am your honey advertiser. Today I will tell you the client success story. The client is a too smart. He is a dropshipper, but he convert their product into a brand, and he bought the product quantity in bulk and hire a warehouse to store and deliver the product to the end user. This is a good type of dropshipping, and I always recommend to do this type of dropshipping. The reason behind is we have a full control of the business, and we can scale the business more when we want. Let me show you the product. Here you can see these are a hair product kit, and the price of this kit is 38 pound. And if you did or doing drop shipping, you can judge the actual price of this product. Let's see the Facebook performance. Here you can see we are getting approx 3 ROS from this product. This is a stack audience. Stack means we can retarget all type of visitors, like who visited the website or engage Facebook and Instagram. We got 91 sales with 3.83 ROS. Our second performing audience is social media platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. We got 76 sales and 3.09 ROS. Again, second, third and fourth is engage audience of different day range, and we are getting 4 plus ROS of from both ad sets. Fifth top performing audience is shopping and fashion. We got 38 sales with 3.59 ROS. Sixth is a long hair curling hair serum, 37 sales and 3.26 ROS. This is a duplicate audience, social media platforms, 32 sales, 3.29 ROS. Other is a hair brush, hair iron, hair straightener, hair related audience, 29 sales and 2.85 ROS. Other audience is long hair, hair curling, hair serum. This is a duplicate audience and 27 sales, 3.12 ROS. Fashion accessories, 24 sales and 2.72 ROS. Engagement retarget audience, 22 sales and 3.07 ROS. Open audience ad set means we are not targeting any audience in this ad set. We got 22 sales with 2.80 ROS. This is again duplicate ad set of this audience, 18 sales and 2.97 ROS. Beauty salon, beauty related audience, interest. This is interest based. These all are a interest based audience, 17 sales and 3.04 ROS. Hair product, hairstyle, hair care, 17 sales and 2.20 ROS. Look like purchase audience, 16 sales, 2.85 ROS. These are a top celebrity names or serial names. Top serial names, 13 sales and 4.26 ROS. Two good ROS. These are a warm audience. Add to cart, checkout, 13 sales, 3.12 ROS, 10 sales, 4.83 ROS. Engage, retarget audience, again retarget audience, engagement 9 ROS, 7-day engagement. Eyelashes, eyelash extension 6 sales, 2.77 ROS. So here you can see our hair related audience are performing well after retarget audience is also performing well in this project. Thanks for watching my video, and we will meet in next video of new project and new niche. Bye, take care.